So the GoPro 12 Black is finally announced, and it does not have the rumored 1-inch sensor that we hoped for, but it does bring several new features that we fans have been asking for a while now. In this video, we're going to discuss whether Hero 12 Black is worth the upgrade or not. Now, design-wise, it's exactly the same as the Hero 11. All the buttons and mounting hole positions are the same positions except for the power logo, which is now black instead of red. You'll find another similarity in the 12 Black sensor. It's the same 1/1.9-inch sensor matching image and video resolutions. Both the GoPro Hero 12 Black and the Hero 11 Black are capable of capturing stills and up to 5.3K resolution video with an 8:7 aspect ratio. Now, you may start to wonder what's even new here. Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Well, in short, nothing much. Hero 12 isn't exactly revolutionary in any aspect, but rather a few incremental upgrades. First, the GoPro 12 Black now allows you to capture HDR photos and videos at 5.3K up to 30 FPS, as well as 4K footage at 30 FPS in an 8:7 aspect ratio or 60 FPS in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Additionally, the inclusion of GP-log encoding enhances your ability to capture a wider dynamic range. Moreover, you can benefit from timecode synchronization across an unlimited number of Hero 12 Black cameras, making it much simpler to edit your footage from multiple angles and ensure perfect alignment. Furthermore, there's wireless audio support for Bluetooth devices like Apple AirPods, which can serve as microphones or be used for voice commands. These are exciting additions, especially for professional Hero users. GoPro also introduced the HyperSmooth 6 with the Hero 12 Black, which auto-boosts automatically and enhances video stabilization when necessary, while keeping cropping to a minimum. Additionally, it offers horizon leveling even when the camera is fully rotated at 360 degrees thanks to the linear plus horizon lock digital lens. Now, the biggest selling point of the 12 Black will be the battery life. GoPro always faced backlash for its poor runtime, and GoPro is making a bold promise of significantly improved battery life compared to last year's model. So, with the Hero 12 Black, you can now enjoy up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted recording at 5.3K and 60 FPS when using the camera's highest performance settings. If you opt for 1080p and 30 FPS, you can record for more than 155 minutes without interruption. All these recording durations are achievable with the HyperSmooth 6.0 video stabilization feature activated, making this camera an excellent choice for extended recording sessions. GoPro also introduced Max Lens Mod 2.0, which can record a 177-degree field of view in 4K at 60 FPS. It's nothing important nor fancy in our opinion. You can check out this video, link in the description to know more about the lens mod. The GoPro Hero 12 isn't quite what we had high hopes for, but it's certainly what we've been waiting for, to say the least. If you already own the GoPro Hero 11, you should not bother about upgrading yet, but for other models it's a pretty good jump, and you can get the GoPro Hero 12 Black for $400. So what do you think about the Hero 12? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below and consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.